I got moonshine on my blue jeans, I just bust my head. Lord, it's hard to be a handyman. I got Helga, she can cook the fat with Queen, she can clean. I got Lynn, she can do anything in between. I gotta get ready, make everything right, 'cause all my rowdy tubers coming over tonight. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party? Hey honey, this is old Grand, ready to get this tubery started. We cooked a pig in the ground, we got some bush on ice, and all my rowdy tubers coming over tonight. Now my party pad is out in Corbin woods. It's a long, long way from here to Hollywood. But I got the squat, the P tribe on the floor, and old Mr. Bill Goudy just walked through the door. Got a little pond out back that you can catfish in, and you can cast out and you can reel in. You can do anything that you wanna do, but honey, don't you step on my thirsty Thursday boots. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party? Hey, this is old Grand, ready to get this music started. I cooked a pig in the ground, we got some bush on ice, and all my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party? Hey, this is Calvin's Corner 72. Come on and get the tubery started. We cooked a pig in the ground, we got some bush on ice, and all my rowdy tubers coming up tonight. That's right. Come on in. I've got a good woman at home who thinks I do no wrong. But sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. And you know that's when I fall. I can't help myself at all. And I get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Play me some songs about a rambling man, put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to hear those guitar sounds. Don't you play, I'm so lonesome I could cry, 'cause I'll get all balled up inside, and I'll get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Sure enough, about closing time, about stoned out of my mind, and I end up with some honky-tonk special I found. Just as sure as the morning sun come, thinking my sweet girl at home. I need to get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Play me some songs about a rambling man, put a cold Jim Beam in my hand. 'Cause you know I still love to get drunk and hear country sounds. Don't you play your cheating heart, that'll tear me all apart. And I'll get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Yeah, Hank's songs always make me feel low down.
I'm looking in, I can see through you, see your true colors. Inside you're ugly like me. I can see through you, see to the real you. Side